What would be the difference in doing metal 3D printing versus just doing CNC machining?
Sometimes the misconception is that all you need to do is throw a digital file at a 3D printer and you get your part out the other side. And it's done and it's ready to go. But that's not the case, for really any manufacturing process, right? Mm-hmm. There's no replicator like, like in Star Trek where you push the button and you get what you want out and it's finished. 3D printing, just like any other manufacturing process, is just one piece of the puzzle. Casting, when a part comes out of the mold of casting, it's a bit of a mess and it needs to be cleaned up. And often it's unpredictable in its geometry, and so high precision surfaces need to be machined, high precision holes need to be drilled. Casting works in combination with CNC machining, just like 3D printing works in combination with CNC manufacturing. So you have these technologies working together that make an overall more efficient process. Traditionally, CNC machining will buy raw materials off the spot market that are your commodity materials. Inside of that prism of steel will be the part that you want at the end of the day. Mm-hmm. So you have to remove all of that steel to get to your final part. What 3D printing brings is this ability to, instead of starting with this giant prism that you need to remove 90% of the material from, you print a part that is much closer to the final part that you want. It's called near net shape, and it's very close to what you want, but not exactly. And you've printed extra material in areas where you're going to come back and machine and remove that extra material.
So you're just moving from two different directions to end up at the same point.
That's right.